Imagine a world where you possess a virtual replica of your entire solar installation, a meticulously detailed real-time representation of every component, every connection, all at your fingertips. The FutrOS Digital Twin module empowers you with unparalleled insight. No more blind spots, no more guesswork, just absolute clarity. This module works by creating a digital counterpart of your physical setup. Every panel, every junction box, every cable, it's all brought to life in the digital realm. But it's not just about visualization. The digital twin module syncs with sensors embedded in your installation, providing you with live data and real-time analytics, monitor performance metrics, detect anomalies, and predict potential issues before they escalate. The digital twin module's predictive algorithms empower you to take proactive measures, minimizing downtime and maximizing efficiency. The digital twin module seamlessly integrates warranty information into its framework. You'll receive automated alerts for impending warranty expirations and fulfillment triggers, ensuring you never miss a beat. Efficiency, precision, and innovation converge as the digital twin module revolutionizes solar asset management. With the power to visualize, analyze, and optimize, you're not just keeping pace, you're leading the way.